Want a free haircut? Go to this link down below for more info.
All right, YouTube, got a new client chair. What's your name? Carlos, right? Carlos. He getting married tomorrow. So drop a congratulations down in the comment section. What kind of cut we doing today?
I want to do a low fade.
Low fade?
As low as you can, and then use enhancements and shave me up.
Enhancements?
Thing, bro.
Got you. You get the C-cups and stuff?
Yeah.
Bet. Anything off the top?
Do a little bit to the point you can notice the waves, but not too.
Little grays? Yeah. Okay. And you like keeping your bangs, I'm guessing? Like, yeah. All right, YouTube, I'm about to show you a trick real quick. How to line up bangs. Sometimes I'll stretch the skin. But like super stretch it like this. A lot of people go like this. I just stretch it down here. So you see that little hair right there? Important package. I tried to get it yesterday. They said it was delivered to my house. Then I checked again and said they missed me. They had to go drop it off at some mechanic store. So let's go. All right, we here. Uh-oh. We opening these bad boys up right now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. These mean. Come on, y'all. These mean. Oh yeah. Matching set. Look at these bad boys. Yeah, we about to do some damage with these. gonna get another whole set too next week. I just love the way these cut. YouTube, that's it for today's video. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Peace.